56 million. You know, some see.
56.
The 56
56
million
million in the US because here why these are grape allegations. Remember, I live in America now, and I show you the people them done. Oh, we not gonna put grape on the man name when the man live in America, and if the man do anything like that, the woman would die prison. Look, oh, Ivani get in a mix up and she have mugshot and all of that. So why me not have no mugshot and that prison? One bag of dunce people may have. And them put
So you
spice.
got the last suit already?
Of course, we deal with that. Then we could have really blood clot 8 spice and not sue him for this.
56 million US dollar.
That means me I go block him.
I want to hear about it, but that's it. Me case and start.
Alright, let me show you go school. Listen to this. If somebody put grape charge on you, and the police never charge you, and you never got caught, and you never arrested, and none of that not on your file. So how the fuck you go walk and tell people say you're grape people? This is Spice I don't.
No, I'm not ready.
You just bring
But
our
like,
money.
mother that
That's a
him a
common
tell
sense.
people, but what I know RT. Mama say the boy, where them say you grape, the company life come say.
Tell him say it's
All of these things are allegations set up by Spice. So me not
So the
go
boy
own
is
nothing.
not true, the
Me
boy is
don't know
not
none of
true.
them. I be a lie. Everybody come out here and tell lie for me. Me don't know none of them.
Albino too.
Me no know them, me I tell be. Look how long me dey on the media, be real. And every day when I come about him, you never hear nobody come with no file. You want to get a joke, you see the one where you hear them say about the baby mother?
Yeah.
The woman come to me and the woman say she want boss. She want be relevant in the media. So I say, yeah, if you want boss, I say, you're serious. Just go tell the people them say, me a batty man to chew and you breed you and you dash with the belly and all of that and so forth. Just talk up, be a blood clot bad things and you go viral. She say, you true? Me
So
say,
RT,
yeah.
you really barely.
1 point.
So what on the RT? Oh me here bring a man I say a batty man for true.
Me no, boy, me no come here, anybody friend.
Police.
This is one bag of to court and it's already in process. Nothing more. And everybody go see. Because, as me say again, you guys are done. At 2 weeks now, when you come with the allegation, I'm still there. I'm in that prison. So that mean your queen in a fucking trouble when you fucking done. Because the minute, if something goes on me with that prison, when you fucking done, I'll be a illiterate girl like Jamaica, no one can suck you down in an education. Because if you stop suck you down in a blood clot, say, the queen fucking done. You should have somebody for advisor. You pay literacy blood clot, you walk and fuck and suck you and take.
June, later, June, look more.
You take more and suck you like dog and no sense. Do for when me talk about the pitney for baby blood clot, and nobody can blood clot sue me. You go talk about sue for sue. Sue for blood clot when me know. Or you go sue me for your raffle pitney where your blood clot get jacket.
Alright, RT done.
Are you start
Later,
me?
baby.
Are you start me up? Me calm down. Boy, you talk about sue. Big best
Later,
you suck
baby.
the mama and go find baby sham and raffle back the pitney and get to the right data. Alright, me tap it now. What you ask me now?
No, later, my baby. Later, love you.
Alright, look more. Go suck